The day I decided to lose weight was a big turning point for me. You know how I made that decision? I looked at myself nude in a full-length mirror, and I didn't like what I saw. Didn't I, Spot? I want you to go to a mirror in your home and really look at yourself. And be honest. You know whether or not you need this diet. Did you know that dieting can be fun?
Hot plate.
Thank you. You can even eat Mexican food. Time for our walk. Are you enjoying this? I am. Are you finding this an easy diet to stay on? I certainly am. Some of you may have already noticed that your clothes aren't nearly as tight as they used to be. Isn't that exciting? Okay, ready for that walk? Let's go.